All right, it's time. Which chicken sandwich is best? We got Wendy's versus Popeyes. Now, first thing we got to talk about is price, okay? Wendy's right here, like $5.60. Popeyes, $8.60. So $3 more for Popeyes. Let's see if the hype's all about it. I haven't had the new chicken sandwich yet. Now, I had to wait 10 minutes for Wendy's. I don't know why. Didn't get a receipt. Had to pull around front and sit and wait for 10 minutes. Popeyes is probably cold by now, but we'll get into it. I got one regular and one spicy from each. Not going to be able to finish it all, but going to give it a taste, see how it is. All right, we got the regular Popeyes chicken sandwich. Let's see here. Got pickles, mayo, chicken. There's some sort of chipotle mayo on top, it looks like. Give it a try. All right, let's try it out. It's got good crunch. Okay. I expected more from the pickle, to be honest. Okay. That's a good, decent chicken sandwich. That might be the spicy. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. This chicken sandwich, I rate a 7.2. 7.2. Solid chicken sandwich. Not going out of my way for it. Not going to wait a long time for it. But it's good. Let's check out the regular Wendy's chicken sandwich. All right, here's the Wendy's home style. Get this out of the way here. All right, so chicken, mayo, tomato, lettuce, no pickles. We'll give this one a try. All right, let's try it out. It's warmer. I like the addition of the tomato and the lettuce, but it's really missing that bite that you get from the pickles. This might also be the spicy one. I don't know. It didn't look spicy, so I thought it was regular. They didn't label. Neither place labeled which one was spicy and which one was not. So they both get dinged for that. This one gets a 6.8. Not quite as good, but still decent and not going out of my way for it. So let's check out the other ones. All right, this is, I think it's the spicy, but it could be the regular. It smells like it's the spicy chicken from Popeyes. Weird looking chicken piece in there. Let's give this a try. All right, let's try it out. Big piece of chicken. The bun does a lot of work for this chicken sandwich. It's moist. It's like the perfect bun for a chicken sandwich, really. This is definitely the regular one. I had the spicy one before. It means it wasn't very spicy. I mean, what do you expect at a fast food place, right? But this regular one's better. Yeah. There's good. Regular mayo, not chipotle mayo. I guess that's the difference. I thought that they put spices like in the batter for the spicy, but I didn't taste that at all. This one gets a 7.6. A lot better. This would be my go-to if I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich. Yeah. Let's try the last Wendy's one. I think it's the regular one as well. And we'll see if that one's better than this. But I think this is going to be the winner between the two. We'll see. I just realized I was mistaken. Popeyes does label which one is the classic and which one is the spicy. And that last one I had was the classic. So, my bad there. Alright, here's a look at the last one. Looks the same as the other one. Let's see how it tastes. All right, here we go. I need a napkin. Holy crap. There's so much mayo on it. Sorry. We're good. Yeah, this is just the regular chicken sandwich. It's not as good. It's hot, but I only needed one bite of that. I already had half of 3 other sandwiches, so I'm full. This one gets a 6.6. It's good. But that last Popeyes chicken sandwich I had was really good. Not the best chicken sandwich I've had, but it'll do, I guess. Well, thanks for checking out this chicken review. Popeyes classic chicken sandwich got first with a 7.6, I believe. I can't remember. Then the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich got second with a 7.2. Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich came in third with a 6.8. And Wendy's regular chicken sandwich came in fourth with a 6.6. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.